Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Force. So today we'll be taking a look at two awesome products by MPOW, the M9 and M12 earbuds. Now, being quite cheap, stay tuned to see how they compare to other earbuds like that of the Jaybird Ones and LG tone-free earbuds. Starting off with what's inside the box. Both the M9s and M12s have relatively similar accessories and items, including the all-important earphones, a charging case, spare ear tips, a charging cable, and manuals, which are of course all the expected accessories without anything perhaps additional, although this is not an issue being the case for most products similar to these. In terms of charging, the M12's charging case is equipped with wireless charging, an additional feature I believe to be quite good, despite also having a nice USB-C port also available to charge the case. However, the M9s are not fitted with wireless charging, but do have that USB-C port of course to charge. Concerning the battery life of both of the products, the M12s and M9s take approximately 2 hours to charge. Whilst on full charge, the M12s have 5 hours plus 20 hours in music/talk time, and the M9s have above 6 hours music/talk time as provided on the box, which I find to be alright, but not that much in comparison to the extraordinary battery life of the LG tone-free earbuds, lasting 18 hours on a full charge. Moving on to the design, I'm sure you're all wondering about the build of the earbuds and the case. Being honest, I prefer the M12's charging case, which looks similar to that of the Jaybird Ones, to the M9s, whilst the M9's earbuds was certainly my favourite choice over the M12s. However, I don't love the M9s despite being my preferred alternative. So concludingly, if MPOW could potentially merge the products, I think it would be quite good. Although my chosen option in terms of the design of the earbuds was the M9s, with regard to comfort and fitting, I would choose the M12s because whilst comparing them I found an astounding difference in favour of the M9s, being particularly the fitting. I believe this is down to the build the earbuds adopt, so despite not looking nice, in my opinion the M9s are well fitting and very comfortable. Overall, I would opt to purchase the M12s over the M9s due to the numerous pros reflected in this video, for example the comfort being a particular one. But that's it for now, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.